So I know at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna stop it. That was a little interesting clip that I had just of washing the car. A lot of times I tend to do that. No matter where I go, I always capture some sort of footage. Don't know where the video is gonna go. But like this video if you guys wanna see little snip clips, because I have a lot of 2 to 3 minute, like I guess, things like that. No music, just pure, like I guess ASMR here and stuff in the background of things being done to my car, other cars, and just enjoying. Maybe I throw a little bit of conversation in there too, because it's kind of soothing to me, even while editing it. Just hearing us have conversation back and forth was good. So like the video, I'm gonna get into this video, and yeah, just thank you guys in general for rocking with me. All right, man, I love this part of these videos. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Time to start taking some shit apart. Carbon fiber grills going on the G82. I secreted, or I hinted it in my other video. Check it out. All from the guys over at KIES Motorsports. This is actually KIES Carbon. I know the grill on here is one piece. I've watched enough videos on removing this grill. This is 2-piece, so this should be interesting. It has clips, and yeah, you're gonna see how she looks on the M4. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. I'll show you the thumbnail. It looks something like this. If you guys haven't seen the rest of the carbon go on the car, we have a couple of videos, both over at Brian's channel, KIES Motorsports, and my channel, where we fit the carbon bits, all from KIES Carbon. I'll put links down below where you can purchase this stuff. But this is kind of like the last piece of the puzzle. Now, there are things that KIES Motorsports as a website offers, you know, for these cars. Carbon fiber mirror caps being one of them, carbon fiber trunk lip being another one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they offer that as well. Carbon fiber cap or replacement for the shark fin. This is the downside about running these aggressive carbon fiber things, is like rocks build up in here. But I mean, race car shit. So now here's the twist, or the kicker. I do plan on taking this thing to a car event, and I want to go with the grills already on the car. So a little crunch time, woke up early, because I got to get the grills on, get the car clean, have it presentable, obviously, and make it to this car show on time. So wish me luck. There's better ways to do this, I ain't gonna lie. You don't need to move, babe. I got the middle piece of the front lip off. This right here is the part that snapped where I hit the outdoor dining thing. I actually did pretty good. Only this little piece snapped right here, so I'm gonna just tack that on back together. Believe it or not, the actual bumper took more damage than the front lip. You can see where it ripped off the bumper, but lip's still good.
Unleash the beast.
Yo, there's so many things in here. There's leaves and all types of shit. Let me take this off, maybe it'll make it easier. Check out Brian's video, KIES Motorsport. I'll put all the videos, the one we did together, the one he did on his G80, because this is definitely not a step-by-step tutorial. I just did it, and now it's done. You guys know I don't want to repeat the same type of video. I'm gonna count how many radiators are in this freaking thing, and I'm gonna try to name every single one while I'm cleaning it out, because this just looks like one big conundrum fuck. I know that's a totally wrong word. I think I made that up. Group of radiators. What the hell? I done sucked in a Marlboro. And I'm gonna count the AC condenser as a radiator, just because, man, I realize how much I don't know which radiator is which. I think this one could be for the charge cooler or the auxiliary cooler, whatever you call it. And then there's another radiator in there. So you got 1, 2, maybe even 3, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I count this one? I don't remember, but I think there's 7 radiators in this thing. Absolute piece. There's a radiator for everything in this goddamn car. Another fun thing about this thing, I'll show you. Come here. For those of you guys who really drive your cars, this thing is for the brakes. So I'll come over here, I'll show you guys something funny. If you look in here,
I can't see because your big hand is in the way.
All right, well.
You don't want me to zoom in.
This little piece right here is supposed to come out when you're running it on the track, this car, to cool the brakes down a little bit. You see it has the fins that vent the air down. When you have it off, it's just a big gaping hole that goes in and cools the brakes. Funny enough though, it has the M logo on it, but it also has F90. And if you guys know the F90 chassis codes, this is the G82. There's the F90 is the M5, so share the same piece with the M5. So it's just weird that you see it on here. If you don't know, now you know. This front tire is wide as hell. This used to be the same size as the back tire on my 435, and even bigger than the back tire on my M340. This puppy is wide and sticky. The back's even wider. Obviously, this is a lot more lightweight, dry carbon, actual lightweight. I don't think I'm gonna make a faster quarter-mile time because I got carbon fiber on there, but whatever. You know, I'm fat anyway, so no matter. But yeah, I gotta order one of these things though, because I'm definitely not peeling this off to put here. So I'm gonna be running without no badge for now, but you gotta remember to take these off and then throw it on the car. So my goal, my plan was to get this grill, because this is probably one of the last car meets that I'm going to go to for the year. Yeah, that's the older version.
Okay. It's not bad.
Way too dirty to put in the show, yo. Okay. It is filthy. I don't know if y'all remember this one. This is the one I did the video on. These things are nice. I don't know how to feel about these new RS3s. They be coming at my front grille because they say it look like the Predator. But this shit looks legit like the Predator, yo. I like this little thing. He don't have nothing right there. See, look. What color is this? Yeah. But you can see like purple in it. If you look hard enough, you can see the purple. Yeah, that thing looks nice.
I like the color.
Sheesh. Oh, there's not that many cars left. Oh.
Yeah, well, the weather too.
So yeah, so that meat was a little skimp. Yeah. But look at it. What do you guys think about the grill? I know it's a little dark outside, but yeah, it get dark early. I still have to get the M4 emblem thingy right here. I haven't done that yet. Definitely not ripping that off the OEM grills. But you see right here where it's a little caught up? It's supposed to look like this. So I have to pull the sensor back out and fix it, put it back in. But it's not that bad because you can go right up under here. I smell coolant. I don't know why I smell coolant, but this is how it looks, man. It actually looks pretty good, if you ask me. It makes the car look a hell of a lot more aggressive. What I think I will do is get like either plastic or some type of metal screen, like how they have up here, and put it down here so I don't ruin the radiator components and stuff like that. But let me know how you guys think it looks. I think it looks dope. Finally got the car clean, even though it's after the car show. But here we go, man. Whew. This thing looks beautiful more and more so every time I look at it. The stock one, and I just put it in the crib, but the stock grill actually says made in China. So that's something for you. If you guys are concerned that the carbon fiber grill or certain Chinese parts are made in China, the OEM grill says China on it, not even Germany. So you pay all this money for China parts. So I guess it's not that bad, it's OEM. But yeah, that's a little fun fact I thought I'd show you guys.